Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the font size in a PDF fillable form. If your text looks too small or too big when filling out a form, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your computer or laptop, if you have a PDF fillable form, all you need to do is open it. If you have Acrobat, just open the file, then click Edit a PDF to start editing your document. If you want a bigger font, simply click Edit a PDF. We cannot show you how to edit a PDF here because we do not have a premium plan. But if you already have one, just click Edit a PDF and choose the font size you want. Alternatively, you can open a new tab and go to Canva. We will use Canva to edit the fillable form. Canva has features that let you edit a form directly. All you need to do is click Upload and choose Upload Files. Then select the fillable form from your computer. Once it finishes uploading, select the text you want to make bigger, and you will see the changes right away. Make it bigger by clicking the plus sign. As you can see, the text becomes larger. Now, adjust the size to whatever looks best for you. Once you are happy with the font size, just click Share and download the file so you have the updated version on your computer. Wait for the download to finish. As you can see, it now has a bigger font. This is a simple way to adjust the font size in PDF fillable forms. It helps make your text clear, readable, and properly formatted before you save or submit your form. And that's it. Now we know how to change the font size in a PDF fillable form.